Well, we left bright and early, just the way we wanted. We got ourselves all prepared and packed away, and we knew we were doing this drive first thing in the morning, and of course the weather was miserable, but that's okay. It's probably not a bad time to be out and about, and we know that the end destination is a hotel room, so we'll be inside for the weekend away from the weather. And if I have to spend time away from my garden, this is probably the best time to do it. So this trip is to spend the weekend with Mark, and it's his thing, and I'm along for the ride, and I'm not unhappy with that.
Good afternoon, everyone. This is Tony from Her Homestead Skills, and today I'm coming to you from our hotel room. We did manage to drive down in cloudy, wet, rainy weather, which is fine. Good day to be spending time in a hotel, I suppose. And we had a meeting this morning with the crowd that we met with, and it was a small one. But there's a banquet tonight, and of course the banquet is going to be much, much larger. Meeting up with some friends, and Mark has gone out with somebody for lunch. The individual didn't have any breakfast, but Mark and I stopped for breakfast, and I'm certainly not interested in any more food. So I'm sitting in the hotel room here and enjoying the few minutes that I have to myself. It's going to be a very busy, long day, and we've decided that yes, we're going to stay the night so that we don't have to rush out. So, and actually, considering that I can't get to my garden, and considering that my car's not really drivable, this was a great weekend for this, so it's all good. And I'm hoping that I would be able to send a video from the hotel room. I don't know if that's going to happen. Can't seem to get the Wi-Fi working, but maybe it's just me. Haven't had to do that for a long time. Anyway, hope everyone's doing well. I understand that while I'm away this weekend that there have been issues in the U.S., that we've seen more bank issues with banking systems, and not a total collapse, but also the Fed's jumping in again, which probably they have to do. And in Canada, the housing market was supposed to go for a crash and prices decrease, and they're not doing that. It's turning around and prices are going right back up. Don't understand what's going on, except that there's just not enough housing and too many people that want it. Too many people coming into the country, and I guess a lot of them have money and buying up all the housing, and people who, young folks here, just can't afford them anymore. So it is getting very bad here in that respect. There's definitely a housing issue here in Canada. In the U.S. there seems to be banking issues, and in Canada there's housing issues, and neither one of those two seem to find any resolution in any hurry. Anyway, I would recommend keep prepping, keep gardening. And as soon as I get back from this weekend, I'm going to get my poor little old car repaired, and it is an old one, and I'm going to continue to run that old car into the ground. No point in going to the expense of a brand new one just yet until I have to. I don't have any distance to go. I just putter around close by, either to my garden or to the shops, and it doesn't cost me very much. I have to do a repair or so once a year, somewhere in that range. I seem to spend a little bit of money keeping it on the road, but other than that, it's just gas and insurance, and I really don't travel far, and like having, who wouldn't love a brand new car, but it's not happening. I will keep running this one until I can't fix it anymore, because a new one is going to cost me a whole lot more than what this one does now. Anyway, thought I'd I guess you can see that I'm sitting in my hotel room, and it's not bad. Probably not worth the money, but not bad. It's a good size room, and it took me forever to get internet access. I don't know what was the issue there. I had, in the end, I just had to make sure that, anyway, yeah, type in my room, type in our last name, and finally it came up. But it was really strange that I was able to do that immediately on my phone, but not on the laptop. So, yeah, it took me a few minutes. But I'm here now, and we'll be here for the night. We're going to definitely have a nice dinner. It's going to be a long day, meeting a lot of new people. I met an interesting doctor who had a few interesting things to say about certain vaccines, which is interesting to say the least. Anyway, I am going to try and get this video out just to say hello to everyone. I haven't disappeared. I just, I did bring my equipment with me so that I could take some film and post a video and let you know that I'm fine, everything's great, enjoying a weekend away with my husband, which is always nice. And yeah, we'll not be filming the event, and it's more of one of these private affairs, I think, that, and it's more Mark's thing than it is mine, so we're just going to, if I film anything, it'll be just for his benefit and not for my YouTube channel. So but I just wanted to stop in and say hello, let you know that we're here, we're doing well. The ride was uneventful, other than the rain and the mist and that, and I hope that you're all getting better weather than we are, but if I have to have this weather, it's better spent in a hotel room than it is outside, so I'm good with that. Anyway, this is Tony from her Homestead Skills. Keep the faith, folks. Keep prepping, keep gardening, keep the faith. Talk to you soon. Bye. Hi, Mark.
Hi.
Looks like you've come to join me for a few minutes. You say the event is starting soon?
For a few minutes, yes. Seminars are starting in about 10 minutes, so I've got to bail out now.
Okay, well, I'll join you down there when I'm done here.
Okay, sounds good. Bye.
Bye.